Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang post ng isang Army Major, si Major MJ Chico. Mahaba-habang post ito tungkol sa nangyaring kaguluhan sa ating bansa. Ito siya, is a bemedaled Army Major. Yung makita nyo dito yung mga medalya niya nasa kanyang right breast. Yan yung mga medals. So he's a bemedaled Army officer, Major MJ Chico. Okay, sabi niya, so itong post niya is 49 minutes ago. So bagong post lang. Minamahal kong kababayan, I'm speaking out today about the alarming developments in our country. Ang madaliang pag-aresto at paglipad patungong the Netherlands kay former President Duterte gamit ang isang private jet is a clear indication of the ruthless political agenda of President Marcos Jr. and House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Napaisip ako, what's next kaya na gagawin nila? Ang matinding pagnanasa ni Martin Romualdez na maging presidente ng Pilipinas sa 2028 has led to a toxic political climate, kagaya ng ginagawang garapalang pag-atake kay BP Inday Sara, pagbabalasubas sa budget ng gobyerno, lantarang pakikialam sa pundo at implementation ng mga assistance programs at infrastructure projects ng Executive Department. It's time we take a stand as a people united in our aspiration to see the change we want to see in our government. Aking nakita ang strong clamor ng karamihan in social media na dapat makialam ang AFP lalo na sa pang-aabuso na ginagawa ng ilang pangunahing tauhan ng ating PNP na magkaroon na sana ng kudita. Na inaamin ko minsan ay sumagi din sa aking isipan na why not? Pero yun nga ba ang tama at natatanging solusyon sa problema ng ating lipunan? Nagkudita noong panahon ni President Cory Aquino. Nasolusyonan ba ang problema kagaya ng corruption, abuse of power noong panahon ni President Marcos Sr.? Hindi. Nagkudita noong panahon ni President Estrada. Nasolusyonan na ba ang problema ng ating lipunan? Hindi. Nagku na din ang panahon ni President Arroyo. Does it solve the problems of our society? Hindi. History will teach us military uprising will not solve the problem of our society. If we, the people, will keep electing corrupt, incapable, and ineffective people to lead our barangay, municipal, city, province, and the presidency. What we are experiencing now is mainly due to the wrong choice we made by electing PBBM during the 2022 presidential elections. That paved the way for his cousin, Martin Romualdez, to become the House Speaker. That's what we are seeing now na panggagamit sa Kongreso as their platform to attack FPRRD and BP Sara. Quadcom, Tricom, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, etc. For very obvious reasons, pagsasaula sa budget para magamit na panuhol ng mga crooks kagaya ng inexpose ni Mayor Magalong. Sabi ni Luestro, dahil daw kay House Speaker ay bumabaha ng AIX, TUPAD, MAIP, AKAP funds sa mga